Hi, my name is Leticia Davis. This is my career profile for Family 150. I contacted the Homeless Veterans Outreach Program. This is located at George E. Whaling Veterans Administration Medical Center. This is located at Salt Lake City, Utah. The job title is Supported Services for Veterans Families. This national organization based in B8 Hospital at Salt Lake City, Utah. The hours are 8 to 5, which is a wonderful hours. Usually workers can get time for the appointments and family. Family function vacation is 15 to 30 days per year, depending on the length of the employment. The B8 is a family-friendly organization. While there are no facilities for children, accommodations can be made for workers and their children. The typical stressors in this job is coordinations outside with the services such as HUD, working with veterans with PTSD, which I understand that because my husband suffered PTSD, maintaining a professional attitude in the face of impatient customers, helping customers through difficult time in their lives, and understanding where they came from. Typical benefits is the 401k, vacation, health insurance, and options for better position. Common job tasks is coordinate with the HUD for housing placement, coordinate with the employment agency and business for better placement, maintaining records for veterans, veteran needs and services rendered. For this job, it's necessary to have B8 social work services in similar degree, family services, or family studies. The salary in this is $30,000 a year. Is when you start working. Experience salary range from $80,000 a year. How you can get in contact with them is to the website, and the website is available all the time, and it's to the VA Career or USAJobs.gov website. The reason I'm interested for this job, and I think is because my husband served in the military. He's right now retired veteran. I understand where he's come from and where he's going now, and I understand how veterans being treated. As a veteran wife, I serve with him, and I love his job, and I love the service he gives to our country. After all, they are the heroes of our country. We need to help them feel the way. Thank you.